Aloha and welcome to Kauai, the Garden Isle. In this 7-day itinerary, we'll explore the untouched beauty, rugged landscapes, and tranquil beaches of the oldest of the Hawaiian Islands. From the towering cliffs of the Napali coast to the stunning vistas of Waimea Canyon, we'll show you the best that Kauai has to offer. On day 1, you'll begin your journey after landing at Lihue Airport, the gateway to Kauai. We recommend renting a car, which gives you the freedom to explore the island at your own pace. This itinerary is based out of Princeville, a picturesque town on the island's lush northern coast. Nestled between dramatic cliffs and the endless Pacific Ocean, Princeville is where your adventure begins. Day 2 starts at Hanalei Bay, where misty mountains cradle the peaceful waters below. Stop at the Hanalei Bay Lookout, which offers a breathtaking view of the emerald green valley stretching toward the sea. Next, make your way down to Hanalei Beach and its iconic pier. This long, crescent-shaped beach is the perfect place to relax and listen to the rhythm of the waves. Then, take a stroll through Hanalei Town, a small, charming village filled with local art galleries and shops. Don't miss the shave ice from JoJo's, a local favorite. End the day at Anini Beach, which is protected by one of the longest and widest fringing reefs in Hawaii. For those seeking adventure, Anini Beach is a popular spot for snorkeling and windsurfing. Day 3 takes you deep into Kauai's wild and untamed west. Here, the island reveals its most dramatic landscapes, from the vast Waimea Canyon to the jagged cliffs of the Napali coast. Start the day in the heart of Kokee State Park, at over 4,000 feet above sea level. Pu'u'okila Lookout is arguably one of the most awe-inspiring views on the island. From here, The jagged cliffs of the Nepali coast stretch endlessly into the distance, their deep ridges cut by millions of years of erosion. Just down the road is Kalalau Lookout, offering sweeping views of the iconic Kalalau Valley, one of the most remote and rugged places on the island. Next, visit Waimea Canyon State Park. Nicknamed the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, this 14-mile-long canyon cuts deep into the island, revealing layers of colorful rock formations. At the Waipo'o Falls Lookout, witness the towering waterfall plunging hundreds of feet into the canyon, its roar barely audible from the lookout, but its beauty undeniable. As you continue along Waimea Canyon Drive, make a quick stop at the Red Dirt Waterfall. This small but striking cascade flows over bright red soil, creating a stark contrast between the earth and the water. Hanapepe is a town frozen in time, with its small streets lined with art galleries and local shops. The swinging bridge is one of the town's most iconic attractions. Built in the 1900s, it was once a vital passageway, connecting the town's residents to farmland and homes across the river. As you step onto the gently swaying bridge, each weathered plank and creaking cable tells a story, connecting you to generations of visitors, both past and present. End the day on the Nepali coast, one of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth, with sheer cliffs rising thousands of feet above the ocean. This is a place accessible only by boat, helicopter, or the most experienced hikers. Set sail into the open ocean, leaving the land behind as you get a rare view of the towering cliffs from the water. As the boat makes its way along the coast, you might encounter playful dolphins putting on a show, leaping out of the water and riding in the boat's wake. On day 4, explore the town of Kapa'a. Begin the day with a peaceful morning at Kealia Beach. The golden sands and powerful waves make it the perfect place to relax before the day's adventure. A short drive brings you to Lydgate Beach Park, where the calm, protected pools provide some of the island's best snorkeling. Swim alongside tropical fish as they dart amongst the rocks in these crystal clear waters. Experience the magic of Kauai's coastline on the Kealahalei-Makale Path, an 8-mile paved trail along Kauai's Coconut Coast. Explore the path on foot or hop on a bike. A 2-hour rental is $20 and will give you plenty of time to explore. On day 5, explore the sunny southern coast of Kauai. Begin the day with an adventure to one of Kauai's most unique geological wonders, the Makauwahi Cave, the largest limestone cave in Hawaii and an important archaeological site. This cave is not only a time capsule of ancient fossils, but is also home to a thriving ecosystem of native plants and endangered tortoises. Then, head to the nearby Shipwreck Beach, a beautiful but rugged stretch of sand known for its powerful surf and dramatic coastline. This is not a swimming beach, but it offers spectacular views and is the starting point for one of Kauai's most scenic coastal hikes, the Mahaulepu Heritage Trail. In the afternoon, cool off with a snorkeling adventure at Lawai Beach, one of the South Shore's best spots for underwater exploration. The calm, clear waters are perfect for beginners, but even experienced snorkelers will be amazed by the diversity of marine life. If you're lucky, you may even encounter sea turtles gliding gracefully through the water. Next, stop at Spouting Horn Park, where the island's volcanic past comes to life in a spectacular display of nature. According to Hawaiian mythology, a fierce lizard, Kaikapu, once guarded the coastline, terrorizing locals. A brave boy named Liko outsmarted the lizard, trapping it in an underwater lava tube. As the waves crash against the rocky shore and shoot high into the air in a dramatic display, listen for the roar of the lizard trapped beneath the rocks. As the day winds down, stop at Poipu Beach, a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Known for its calm waters and excellent snorkeling, it's the perfect spot for another dip into the ocean. On day 6, venture to Kauai's stunning North Shore, a region known for its breathtaking landscapes, idyllic beaches, and some of the best hiking trails on the island. Start your day at Tunnels Beach, one of Kauai's top snorkeling and diving locations. This beach gets its name from the underwater lava tubes and caves formed by ancient lava, creating a spectacular habitat for marine life. Across from the beach, you'll find the Manini Holo Dry Cave. This cave was formed by ancient lava flows, and legend has it that it was once a hiding place for Hawaiian royalty. For those ready for adventure, the Kalalau Trail offers a challenging 11-mile hike along the Nepali coast, with stunning views at every turn. If the entire hike seems daunting, hike the first half-mile to the lookout, which will reward you with vistas of the rugged coastline below. The beauty of the Nepali coast is nothing short of breathtaking, making every step worth the effort. On day 7, visit the Kilauea Point National Wildlife Refuge, home to the iconic Kilauea Lighthouse, which has been guiding sailors since 1913. As you explore the refuge, keep your eyes peeled for seabirds soaring overhead and the occasional whale spouting in the distance during the migration season from December through April. Before heading to the airport, stop at Opeka'a Falls, a stunning waterfall that plunges 150 feet into a serene pool. Continue to Wailua Falls, perhaps one of the most photographed waterfalls in Hawaii. This majestic cascade, framed by tropical foliage, is a sight that takes your breath away. From the majestic cliffs of the Nepali coast to the vibrant marine life at Tunnels Beach, this island has a way of capturing your heart, leaving you with cherished memories of adventure, exploration, and the spirit of aloha. Mahalo for joining us on this incredible journey through Kauai. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures in paradise.